Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you sick of the drafts and light that come through your vents in the ceiling of your RV? That's no longer an issue for my husband and I with this amazing set of vent covers that we got from Living in a Bubble. My husband and I are full-time RVers. We have a 34-foot fifth wheel. I love having these vent covers because it's more of an elegant solution than having those cushions that you can shove up into the vent areas. Installation was so easy. I just removed the inside shield around my fan, and then you put the vent cover underneath it because that already has the magnets installed into it. And then you simply place the magnets on top of the shield. You'll see how quickly they just go right to where they're supposed to be. Don't forget to tape them in place. I forgot on one of the vent covers I was installing and the magnets jumped all over the place. It is so amazing how strong they are. I was super impressed with how the vent cover just snaps right into place because of the magnets. And if you're wondering, won't that be a pain every time I need to use the fan in my bathroom? Well, here's a little tip for you. I just remove it halfway. The magnets are strong enough. It just hangs there. I can turn the fan on and voila, it works perfectly. I just shove it right back into place when I'm done. Or of course, the other bonus is that these fold up so nicely. So if you do want to remove it all the way, just put it in a corner in your bathroom. As a full-time RVer, I am so impressed with the quality and the beauty of these. I don't hate having them in my ceiling, and you can get different colors so it matches whatever your ceiling color is. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.